Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the jack socket, the headphone jack, in the Motorola G5S Plus phone. So let's start with the fact that the phone needs to be turned off. Never clean it while it's turned on. So if your phone is on, you need to turn it off using the button and the option that appears in the menu. For this cleaning, you will need a round brush that's about 2 or 3 centimeters in diameter, with bristles that go from narrower to wider. You will also need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol, so that it first cleans the contacts and then evaporates, leaving nothing behind in the socket. You can buy both of these items in a set, like a diffuser, or just the brush itself. And the alcohol, well, you can get that elsewhere. And if not, if you don't have it, unfortunately you won't be able to clean it, because for this cleaning, unfortunately you need a round brush. We start the process by thoroughly soaking the brush with alcohol. We take the phone in our hand. Here we have the jack socket. We insert the brush all the way in as far as it will go and move it to the left 5 times. To the right 5 times. To the left 5 times, and then we pull it out. We carefully repeat this entire process about 5 times. So insert it 5 times to the right, then 5 times to the left, and slowly pull it out. And again. And as you can see, some kind of dirt came out of the socket, so it probably wasn't working very well before, but now it will work like new. And all the contacts, if they were a bit dirty or something, are now perfectly cleaned and will work like new. After the procedure, we set the phone aside, on the counter or somewhere, for about 10 or 15 minutes, so that the isopropyl alcohol can evaporate. After that, you can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.